Assalamualaikum friends, here is 40 branding logo in 3 different file AI, APS and PSD. These are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Go to Google Play Store and write Sheri SK, buy now for lifetime, all password in this app. Okay, here is font information, individual font information. First you download this font. Here is paid, but you can find on Google and get free download, free font. Okay, simply you need this font and then you can edit every logo. For example, open here, you see wedding agency in AI, APS and PSD. Open this one. Okay, and you can change color, or you can apply gradient overlay like this one, or here is gradient overlay blue, depend your own choice. And here is same thing is here, apply gradient overlay, depend your choice. That's mean these are fully editable file. No. Okay, oh sorry, logo 23. Okay, you can edit in Photoshop. In here is Adobe Illustrator, or you can do in, I think, Core Ultra. Same thing is here. Wow, just you need this font, new lane script. Okay, replace it. Oh, but you can download from web. Wow, you see here a simple element. Okay, you can change color, for example. Oh, so you can edit everything. I hope these logo are useful for you. Subscribe my channel and buy this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.